Where's your yellow bag?
Upstairs. In Johnny's room.
Make sure you get it together.
I will.
Make sure you got all
Your computer, your chargers, your everything.
I'm going to show you since you're getting ready. I'll let him go in his
Oh, that's a nice playpen.
little play area, which normally goes over there. I have just taken the plates off.
It's your play area, isn't it, Jaeger?
I got to clean it. Today I got to clean this cake.
No. You're gonna be on YouTube, you famous little birdie.
Yeah. Watch. Step back. Come, Mama. Over here. Let's go play. Over here. Oh, I think that's Grandpa's truck. Yep. Go see the birdies. Grandpa's truck's coming. He's going to be turning into the road in a minute. Yep, he's turning now. You'll see him coming.
Is that Grandpa? Come, you birdie. You're gonna be a famous little birdie. You're gonna be a famous birdie.
Downstairs. Anthony's probably still going to be sleeping. So when you go in, Jacob, to see Grandma Jeanette downstairs, you give her a hug, tell her it's good to see you. Thanks for the lasagna.
Jessica's definitely saying thanks for the
Give
lasagna.
her a hug and say, thanks for the lasagna. You made my Thanksgiving.
We're gonna have a picture of the birdie on YouTube. You're gonna be a famous bird.
We be dancing, yeah. Dancing, yeah, with the dancing machine, dee. Dancing, yeah. We be dancing. Yep. Oh, I thought that was her.
Up. Ow!
He says, I don't want to play no more, Jake. All right, you get your stuff together like that is said.
Hey, birdie.
Get your stuff together.
Come on.
Yeah.
You like my phone?
They're just getting their stuff together and they
Will
go
you go
down.
back up sleep?
You can't eat the phone.
Was Johnny sleeping up there?
Sort of.
Yeah, don't let him do that because he may break it.
See you again. I don't want him getting that in his mouth. And then they're gonna go down to bed with you. And we'll go up.
Oh.
So she's gonna
Dang.